Voy a darte con todos los poderes y yo no soy Thanos, pero sabe cómo es el mate, pero Cayetano. Ella sabe que soy la oveja negra del rebaño y le cuadra que la ponga en 4 patas en el baño.
Since brows are the main part of the Latina makeup, so we are gonna do brows first. I will brush down my brows like this so it gets easier to line them. I will use my thin eyeliner pencil to line them. I will first fill them with the same eyeliner. Then I will repeat the same process with the eyebrow palette, and I will use black color because Latinas have dark brows. You don't have to be very careful while filling them because we will conceal them anyways. This is how it roughly looks. Now I'm going to brush the brows to even out the product. Now I'm using a thin brush to give the shape to the brows and give a clean and finished look. I'm just gonna line my brows and hide that extra arc because Latinas don't have much arc to their brows. I will just brush down the extra concealer to hide my dark circles, and whatever extra is left on the brush, I'm going to use it to hide my redness, acne or unevenness. Now I'm going to use this foundation from Mama Earth and I will just apply it all over my face. I'm gonna spread it like this so it spreads evenly when I blend it. I'm using a lighter shade of concealer to brighten up. Now I don't usually contour, but in this makeup the contouring is important, so I'm gonna do it. Usually Latina makeup is matte, so I'm going to set my face with this compact. I will set my under eye, then I will lightly brush the powder all over my face. I'm using a light brown shade first. Then on outer corners I will use dark brown. Now I'm gonna apply long and thick eyeliner. Here I'm taking my highlighter and gonna put it like this. Then I will curl my lashes and I will apply falsies. I'm applying same dark brown eyeshadow on my lower waterline. Then I will put this highlighter on my inner corners. I will apply the blush on my cheekbones and I will drag it towards my temple. I'm lining my lip with a brown eyebrow pencil. I'm applying pink nude shade in the middle, and then on top of it I will apply the red lipstick. Just a little bit, and then I will just blend it. I don't have a nude lipstick, so I'm just gonna take some concealer and I will do the same. Just tap it and blend it. I'm gonna put some gloss, just a little bit, and I will spread it evenly. For the slit, I'm using the concealer and the same thin brush, and I will put it lightly to create a slit.
Voy a darte con todos los poderes y yo no soy Thanos, pero sabe cómo es el mate, pero Cayetano. Ella sabe que soy la oveja negra del rebaño y le cuadra que la ponga en 4 patas en el baño. Sé que hay muchas, pero yo me muero por ese culito, y si tú eres